Goodbye, Loch Lomond. Corners, mate.
Happy birthday to Constantin.
Hello fellas, this is Alan with the R6. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a new video from my 2023 motorcycle trip up in Scotland. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and see all my Scotland motorcycle trip videos. As you can see, we are leaving Cashel Campsite from Loch Lomond. We are still surrounding Loch Lomond at the moment, and today's plan is to go towards Isle of Skye. Hey!
We've stopped a little bit to enjoy the view. Look at them playing around with ski jet. Take some pics. Look at this view, fellas. Hey?
Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Ha 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 ha, look at that.
Hello fellas. We stopped for a coffee break.
And lunch, you need to mention that because we've been starving.
We enjoy our coffee. Hopefully it's the last one for today.
Oh, no.
Coffee
Yeah.
I mean. Not the last stop. The last coffee for today. But here where we are, at the edge of Loch Lomond, going up north on the NC500. Catch up with you on the road.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who got it to being negative. Should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious.
They say welcome to Scotland, as it will be fun in the rain. Well, we did have fun on the twisties, yeah.
Not anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds.
Take a sticker and let's put it on. Alan with the R6. So we are on the A82 going up north, but we have to stop for fuel, and then we might need to find a campsite or something, because it's getting a little bit too late. It's 5:30 already and we haven't even found a campsite. Look at this mountain, fellas. Scotland is truly beautiful. So we just left Fort William, or we're still around Fort William, and we've done a booking on a chalet log cabin thing for all 5 of us on the last minute on booking.com. We'll get there in half an hour, and we're gonna eat our KFC that we bought earlier, yeah, and drink the 2 beers that are left over from the Loch Lomond, yeah, and I'll get pissed and start whistling.
Them fucking corners, mate.
You loved it, innit?
Did you have your camera on?
Yeah.
Good lad.
Thank you very much for watching, guys. We are currently at Highgarry Lodges up in Invergary, and here we're gonna spend the night as we are very tired, all of us. Hope you enjoyed this video, and tomorrow we will carry on our journey to Isle of Skye. Ride safe, ride with me, and make sure you subscribe to see all my Scotland videos.
Yes, bro. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, yeah.
Happy birthday to Constantin. Happy birthday.